Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and these are ways in which you can grow your YouTube channel. This is how my channel grew, after applying what I will teach you in this video, so you can be able to grow your channel too, because I will teach you how the algorithm of YouTube work to keep your video and recommended. You might be wondering, what is the algorithm? Well, the algorithm is a processor set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer. That means most of the process is automated and systematic in a way in which you need to understand when uploading video the dos and don'ts in order for your channel to grow rapidly. How does the algorithm work? The algorithm prioritizes videos that lead to longer overall watch time or viewing sessions rather than videos that get more clicks. If viewers watch your video beyond the first click, those videos are likely to be suggested more often. What to do in your videos? Number 1. Cut many craps and get straight to the point. Most YouTubers like to talk a lot, wasting time before going straight to the point, and that annoys people because people can't concentrate for too long, so they stop watching your videos. Number 2. Keep your videos clean and minimal. Making too much unnecessary graphics in your videos, sometimes it is not attractive the way you think it might be, so they stop watching your videos. Number 3. Try by all means to keep your videos short and informative for viewers to keep visiting your channel. Number 4. Always suggest your previous videos to the current ones in order to keep traffic to your channel. Number 5. Always try to be creative and also unique with your content. Number 6. Always make sure that your audio and visual quality is the best, because in this YouTube world you are competing with the best like me. Number 7. Always make sure that you schedule your content and remain consistent in your schedule upload. What not to do in your videos? Number 1. Try not to talk about what people don't care about. Always look for what people want to listen to or watch by check up on what's trending. Number 2. Always make a video that people will want to watch. By that you need to conduct research to see what people want to watch. Number 3. Avoid long intros. The first 15 seconds matter the most. Number 4. Some say YouTube is not fair, but I say getting into something you don't fully understand is not being fair to yourself. So to be fair to yourself, make sure you understand all the policy of YouTube community to avoid making YouTube to become unfair to you. Number 5. To understand YouTube is to first start by reading community guidelines to avoid copyright strikes. Number 6. Try not to be jack of all trades and focus only on one niche, because focus in one thing makes you perfect than chasing many things, and not being perfect, jack of all trades, is a doer of none. Stay tuned for the next video as I will be showing you tools you can use in your channel. Best free and affordable software to edit your videos. Best equipment to use at affordable price. Ways to be consistent with your content production. Ways to create passive income with YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell next to it for more updates.